Aw, Hunter and Daddy with their hiking sticks. Okay, and Hunter's now turned into swords. We are at Little Talbot Island, which is in what are we, North Jacksonville area, North Florida area. And so we're gonna take a 4-mile loop. Oh yeah, trail loop, 4 miles. But they said this is like one of the few places in Florida that you go through, is it 3 or 4 different ecological changes?
Right, I don't know.
But yeah, see, we're gonna walk on the ocean, and then we're gonna walk through the swamp.
We're gonna start in the swamp.
We're starting the swamp.
Where are we?
Where do you see a start? How about where that little blue dot is? So we are off. Do we need to stop for any reason, or are we good to go?
I think we're good to go.
Kelly's starting the trail, and I don't know what is that, and Hunter's doing gymnastics on the trail. Don't forget you have 4 miles to go there, kids.
I know.
I'm not carrying ya. Our trail has already changed from typical pine straw type stuff to sand. Can you tell we're at the beach?
And now you joke about my hiking sticks. Look how they're coming in.
I was gonna say, now it's coming in handy. It does look fake, doesn't it? That's a cool
yeah, it looks
tree.
like plastic or something.
That is neat looking. Look
Can
at
I
all
go
the.
feel it?
Let me see this one. Look at this one.
Whoa! That one looks.
Oh wow!
That one's crazy. That
one's cool too.
That one's like everywhere.
This is like Maleficent.
Oh yeah, but the vines that Maleficent put.
Maleficent?
Yeah, this is definitely not fake. It feels so weird.
The kids found a cool tree.
You
Palm
actually
tree.
found it.
That is correct. That is true. I found it. Be careful. The suckers have splinters sometimes.
Turn.
Actually, that palm tree doesn't look like it has splinters. I think a lot of people have sat on it.
Max for my trail mix, and I accidentally ate one.
Well, that would be gross.
Wait, bug.
Yeah. I didn't even know that either.
Kelly learned a new skill today. What skill did you learn today? Oh! I didn't mean for him to demonstrate, but he learned how to do a snot rocket. Yes? The skill that every young boy should know when they're hiking and they have no Kleenex. How do you feel about said snot rocket?
Terrible.
Terrible? Did you like it?
No.
No.
But
No.
you think, oh my gosh, whoops.
And we're down. Need some help there? And we're also doing a contest. That's his first one. We're doing a contest to see who can trip the least. Of course, I'm in the lead of tripping the most. So what are you? So it's
Number 2.
2, 1, 1. Daddy has not tripped yet, but he has his.
Hunter said that was Kelly's third.
Is that your third?
No, that's my second.
You passed Mommy? What?
Those were fake.
What?
The other ones, Mommy didn't count because they were fake.
Yes, that one that you kind of like dove down, that was a fake one, yeah.
Like,
But that one definitely counted.
yeah.
We'll see who wins at the end. It probably will not be Mommy.
And it probably won't be me.
It will probably not be Kelly because Kelly takes after me.
And probably
And
not
unfortunately, Hunter kind of takes after Mommy too in the whole klutzy arena.
So basically, Daddy might win.
Yep, it's probably going to be Daddy. What are you doing with the tree, Hunter? Are you going to carry it on the trail with you? Aw, the poor tree, huh?
Come into like a forest.
So we can hear the ocean
And then gone back to
pretty clearly, so I think we are almost to the ocean.
To the start.
And we're in North Florida, so that is the Atlantic Ocean.
What's that, Kelly?
AKA the finish.
Kelly, you trying to be the first one to see the ocean? And we're only about 1.5 miles in, so we're still kind of early in to the hike.
Whoa! There's like a mountain of sand.
Yeah.
Can I slide down it?
What's a mountain of sand called, Hunter?
A dune?
There you go.
Can I slide down it?
No. Dunes
That
are
actually
often
looks fun.
protected, so
That actually looks fun.
it does look fun. Looks like a lot of people have walked up there.
Can we walk down here?
Oh, it may be protected, but I guarantee people are walking up there.
Yeah, so say look at all those
Let's
footprints.
see. What do those lines say?
There's some more pretty sand
What do
dunes.
those lines say?
I
It's
don't know.
Wait, Jenna.
Yep, but Jenna doesn't read the sign, does she?
Sup?
There is the ocean.
We're at deserted island. They took us on a boat here. Pets are not allowed.
Oh, and there's some of that pretty driftwood.
That's so pretty. So pretty.
It is cool.
Oh, slide!
Hey, Mom.
Slide!
Kelly's down for the count.
Slide! My turn! Ooh. This one!
The kids found some really big shells. Let's see your shells.
This
Big
is
shell,
mine.
big shell, and Mommy found a sand dollar.
Can I keep it?
Yes, we can keep it.
Yay.
Let me see.
Our sand dollars.
Pretty. And you can bleach it and to make it even whiter. Found another really big shell. But this little
something's
guy's
in it.
still alive. Yep. Is he moving?
Mm-hmm. I want to touch it.
All right, he wants to take him back out to the water.
Hunter, of course.
All right, enter.
Don't break
Do you want me to hold your shells while you go?
Never.
Can you
Okay.
come with me?
Sure. Flip him over so he can get wet. There you go. He'll be fine. No, he'll be fine. Flip him over so he's in the water. Here comes a big wave. Back up, back up, back up. There you go. He'll be fine. See, he'll be fine. Good job.
Flipping back over once that wave goes.
He's good. Come on. There's another big shell. I think this one's a half one though. Is there anything in that one?
I'm not sure. Oh my gosh! Yes. He's like slipping out.
Oh yeah, look at him. There he goes. Watch out behind you. He was buried in the sand.
He scared me. He was like falling out.
Because he moved? Yeah, he crawled all the way out of the shell.
Can we pull it a little bit more?
Some really good shells up here. No one on the beach. After walking for it seems like miles, we've come to, I think, our trail to head off the beach and head back to the car. Do you think this is the right one?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe not. Boardwalk closed for repairs. So I guess we have to go around. Cool.
So that's good.
Yeah. This is something that you really never want to see on a sign
Some ocean
before
life
you go to the
life
beach.
is toxic
Avoid
to
swimming
touch.
near schooling your fish where
If
sharks
you-
and other predatory fish may be feeding.
Avoid swimming
Because then that means you blend in with the other
where
fish.
sharks
Dun,
and
dun,
other predators.
dun, 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 dun.
Jaws.